RM07-01 is known for its sleek design, and this replica is no different. The ceramic case is flawlessly crafted, and the strap is made from a durable, premium rubber that feels great on the wrist. LeaLuxury.co takes pride in ensuring their products are as close to the real thing as possible, and it's evident in the details. From the meticulously designed crown to the precision of the dial, this watch mirrors the original Richard Mille RM07-01 almost perfectly. Plus, it uses materials that are comparable to the original, so you're getting top-notch quality. The RM07-01 features a tonneau-shaped case, which is iconic for Richard Mille. It's both elegant and modern, making it the perfect timepiece for women who appreciate both style and performance. This replica features an automatic winding movement, meaning it keeps perfect time without needing a battery change. When you wear this watch, it feels luxurious. It's lightweight, thanks to the ceramic case and rubber strap, and fits comfortably on the wrist. Whether you're dressing up for a formal occasion or just going about your day, this piece is sure to stand out. Now, let's talk about value. The original Richard Mille RM07-01 retails for a fortune, but LeaLuxury.co offers this high-quality replica at a fraction of the price. It's an incredible deal for those who want the look and feel of a luxury watch without the steep price tag. It's not just watches. LeaLuxury.co offers an array of luxury goods, including handbags and accessories from top brands like Louis Vuitton and Gucci. Their selection is vast, and they're committed to providing high-quality replicas that stand the test of time. Shipping is also seamless with LeaLuxury.co. They ship globally, and the package arrived in perfect condition,